Putting on and removing your dry suit correctly is essential for comfort, performance and longevity. In this video, we'll guide you through the correct process step by step. Before you begin, ensure your dry suit is fully unzipped and free from twists. Check that seals and zips are clean and ready. Start by stepping into the suit, one leg at a time, ensuring the material is not twisted. If you're able to, we would suggest sitting down while donning the suit to protect it from being damaged. Pull the suit up to your waist, making sure it sits evenly and comfortably. Pull braces up over the shoulders and adjust to fit comfortably. Insert each arm into the sleeves one at a time, taking care not to strain the seals. Watches and jewellery are advised to be removed prior to wearing a dry suit to prevent snagging. Carefully stretch the neck seal and guide it over your head. Ensure it sits flat against your skin. With assistance if needed, fully close the zip. Ensure it's completely sealed from end to end. Adjust the suit for comfort, removing any excess air and ensuring freedom of movement. To remove the suit, begin by fully opening the zip. Carefully stretch and remove the neck seal, avoiding sudden pulling. Remove your arms from the sleeves one at a time. Pull braces down off the shoulder, adjusting if required. Lower the suit and step out carefully, one leg at a time. Taking care when donning and doffing your dry suit helps extend its life and ensures it performs when you need it most.